Hello everyone, welcome to Chef's channel. Today I'll be showing how to make chicken apple burger. Consists of simple ingredients that you can make at home. We have the chicken, and then I put the egg, thyme, Cajun spice, onion, apple, chopped apple, cayenne pepper, oregano, meat tenderizer, milk, and the crumb, a bread crumb. I mix the size that I prefer to have. It's very simple. You can have it in your house, enjoy it, and your family will enjoy it without any risk involving. It's full of healthy option. You can make it in the house. And then that is how I'm making it, and this is how it looks like. And I have to put it here on the grill in order to go to the oven. Okay, and now we have arrived at this point, and I've gotten the parties put together. Now I'm going to put it in the oven. I'll be using air fry to do this. Instead of deep fry oil that they use for you, I will be using air fry. Let's see how it gets.